Hey girls, ready to learn about this new F1 mold accessory that promises to make building your reverse French and smile French much faster and easier? Yes, I'm talking about the silicone pad, and today I'm going to show you if it's really worth buying this accessory and using it in your everyday life. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because this is one of many content that I bring here to the channel for you. Let's go. I already have my silicone pad separated. I'm going to get my mold to start the placement. For my index finger, I'll use the mold with size number 5. The silicone pad has to be according to the numbering of my mold. In this case, my mold is number 5. So I'll use the silicone number 5 too. This silicone pad comes with a film. After removing the film, you'll take the mold, position the silicone well centered so that the design of the smile French or reverse French is symmetrical. Here you'll press and it will already automatically stick to your mold. Here I'm going to do a smile French. I'll use this polish. As usual, I'll make the markings on the mold. One for the total length of the extension and another for the silicone marking. Here I continue to give shape to my smile French. Remember to take the product to where your client wants. Done, I did all the pigmentation. Now I'm going to do a pre-drying of 15 seconds with my portable cabin to remove the silicone pad safely. And to remove my silicone, just grab this part that sticks out. It's the one for removal. Pull up very carefully and it will come loose easily. Now I can start building the extension. Always look from above and see if everything is okay. If there are no bubbles in the gel, if you have any, you can easily remove them because the gel is still wet. You should position the portable cabin very close to you and make the coupling normally on your client's nail. I already do the pre-drying from above, I make the adjustments from below, and I do the pre-drying from below too. I'll take it to the cabin to finish the final polymerization of 120 seconds on top and 60 seconds on the bottom. To remove the gel gum that is only on the bottom, you can use the prep. After that, you can do all the manual sanding. Let's continue now with the motorized sanding part. With a straight drill in the cuticle area, I do all the leveling, all the necessary adjustments so that this nail has an even more natural appearance. At the tip, I accentuate the curvature with the curvature and finishing drill, and I use the same drill to do the finish. Here under the extension, the finish under is also minimal. And with the 7-in-8 diamond drill, I do the finalization of my premium finish in the cuticle area to have that feeling that the nail is coming out of the matrix, and I finish with a polishing file on top. After polishing, I remove all residual powder with prep so that I can seal my nail with top coat with much more security. With top coat, I seal the nail on top with great care not to touch the cuticle area, and I also take advantage of sealing the nail underneath. And I take it to the cabin and polymerize 60 seconds on top and 60 seconds on the bottom. With the nail already polymerized, I will hydrate the cuticle area using this oil specifically for cuticle hydration. Ready? Nail finished. What do you think? Did you have any questions? Do you have any suggestions? Leave them here for me in the comments. And if you're new here on the channel, take advantage and subscribe and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.